how to download and install Duolingo app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Duolingo app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Search for Duolingo as shown on the screen. Select the first search result for Duolingo. Tap on the install button. The Duolingo app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. So please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the Duolingo app on your device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to learn various languages with the help of the Duolingo app. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install Duolingo on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.